Adobe Lightroom Classic is one of the most popular photo editing and photo management programs used by photographers, content creators, and designers in 2026. It helps organize large photo libraries, edit raw images professionally, apply presets, and create cinematic color grading workflows. And honestly, Lightroom Classic is especially powerful for people working with large numbers of photos. So in this full guide, I'll show you how to use Adobe Lightroom Classic step by step in 2026. First, open Adobe Lightroom Classic and create a new catalog or open an existing one. Now import your photos into Lightroom Classic using the Import button. To keep projects organized, create collections and folders for different shoots, clients, or categories. Lightroom Classic includes different modules like Library, Develop, Map, Book, Slideshow, Print, and Web. The Develop module is where most photo editing happens, including color correction, exposure adjustments, and retouching. When your edits are complete, export the images using the correct format, resolution, and quality settings. And honestly, Lightroom Classic becomes much easier once you develop a consistent editing workflow. Organizing photos and using presets can save a huge amount of time. And that's your full guide on how to use Adobe Lightroom Classic in 2026. Hopefully now you have a clear understanding of how to organize, edit, and export professional quality photos using Lightroom Classic.